Hey, Katie, how you doing? Thank you so much for submitting your work. Looks like you have some additional things here. We'll go ahead and take a look at those. I was glad to read your writing here saying that you spent a lot of time working your logo, reworking your logo, and reworking it once you take a look at it in conjunction with the word mark. And that's smart. That's what design is. It's a continuous state of improvement and editing and iterations and improvement, testing, editing, iterations, testing, all sorts of just repetitive steps in order to make the work as effective as possible. So for me to read that you had gone back and you're looking at your logo and reworking your logo based on some of the ideas, that's smart. That's a really good indication that you understand the design process and are practicing that process. I was very, very glad to read that. Let's go ahead and jump over. Okay, rationale. Okay. All right. Good stuff. Let's go ahead and jump over here. Listen, I'm going to go ahead and tell you something. All right. Now, I was thinking this was a pretty effective approach. I thought it was pretty clever because, I think this was the actual bull. As we can see, it's kind of an abstract a rendering of the bull. We can see with the horns and it's got the M. And I think it's pretty effective. But you know what? I want to say something here. After I take a look at this and the simplicity and just the clean, crisp, modern approach here, I'm going to go ahead and say this is really effective right here. I think just the ring, this could indicate bull, right? We got the horns, we got the nose, we got the ring, we got the legs. It's all there. And I think for you to attach that little ring to indicate the nose, I thought was just a really, really nice, simple solution. And if there's one thing we know about design, it's the simple solutions that work the best. So this is fantastic. I just love it. I think there was another version. Okay, this is Minotaur without the ring, and honestly, I think it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I've done a really nice job. But that little ring adds so much meaning. I'm a big fan of this right here. I really am. I'm a big fan of this too as a monogram, which we'll be working towards as we move forward. But really fantastic job. I would say at this point, based on your experimentation, your comments, and your results, I think this is just a fantastic result. As far as the logo goes, boy, that's going to be tough because I'm not real sure this is working with this. I think there's just too much going on. So it's a tough position you're in. Are you going to end up changing the logo itself? This was your logo. There's a lot of different variations here, but I would say the most simple would probably be the most beneficial if you plan on sticking with that particular logo. But the word mark, boy, word mark's gorgeous. Okay, so from here, I guess the decision is what to do with the logo from this point. I think that we could definitely end up simplifying the logo. So give me your ideas on that. Let's start working towards a really, really nice relationship between the word mark itself and the logo. All right, really fantastic job. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.